Page 105, exercise 7.7. It's a very famous melody, Country Gardens. And we get to use some of the technique that we've been studying in the previous few exercises. Just briefly, let's go over this one hand at a time. You have an accented staccato at first, and then you're coming down with the wrist. You're going to do this again, but the accent's on the last note of it. So that's, and those are important. Now we have, well, in music we have a thing we call contrast, where things are totally different, and we like this in music. You don't hear it in pop music; it's just loud and does nothing. But in classical music, a lot of serious classical music, good stuff that I call. But in classical music, they like a lot of contrast, and here you have the first 3.5 measures, kind of a light bouncy thing. And then from then on, the rest of the line, it's smooth and connected. So it's like a statement. This is the statement. And then this, the answer. Isn't that cool? Second line, it's softly. I tend to play 2 measure slurs there rather than, I don't like short slurs because it tends to make the music choppy. Now if you got staccatos, it's supposed to be choppy, I suppose, but here I like, on the second line, I like two measure slurs. I connect that, and again, and then an answer. What's the half note? You gotta hold those down. You can slide off. Slow down at the end. Not much, but slow down. The left hand, again, is just accompaniment, supporting a harmony and all that. Keep it down, keep it soft. It's 2 note slurs. You're moving around quite a bit. You may have to look down at the keyboard. You may have to practice these movements to get the hands in the right spot. And then in the second line here, I like the fingering. 4-1, 3-2, 4-1. I like that. It allows us to connect all the notes, and we don't have to slide off any notes onto any other notes. It's used a lot in music. And then the last line is similar to the first line, sort of, maybe a little bit, huh? So this is a fun piece. Allegretto is, to me, is kind of a fun speed. It's faster than moderato, but it's slower than allegro. It's just kind of a fun speed, and it's a dance. And the trick is, can you get the slurring? Etc. Take it really, really, really slow in working it out, but eventually you want it to kind of come in like that. Keep in mind the first line is repeated, and then that's important. It isn't important. You really need to play that twice in order for the musical form of the piece to work. The piece is really 4 lines long, is what I'm saying, so don't cut it short.